Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some daily habits that could be secretly sabotaging your testosterone levels and muscle building efforts. We're talking about the sneaky stuff, the things you might not even realize are messing with your gains. You're busting your ass in the gym, eating clean, but the needle just ain't moving. Trust me, I've been there. We're gonna break it all down, give you the science, and arm you with the knowledge to optimize your lifestyle for maximum testosterone and muscle growth. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, we gotta talk about sleep. You know how crucial sleep is, right? It's like recharging your batteries, man. But when it comes to testosterone, it's not just about feeling rested, we're talking about hormone production on a fundamental level. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of this stuff called cortisol. It's the stress hormone, and it's basically like kryptonite to testosterone. Cortisol shoots up, testosterone takes a nosedive, not a good look. And it's not just about how much sleep you're getting, but also the quality of sleep. You need those deep sleep cycles, man. That's when your body releases growth hormone, repairs muscle tissue, and really gets to work on that testosterone production. Think of it like this. You're an athlete, right? You wouldn't go into a big game without proper rest, would you? Same goes for building muscle and optimizing your hormones. Sleep is non-negotiable. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Make it a priority, man. Your body will thank you for it. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite social lubricant, alcohol. Look, I enjoy a cold beer as much as the next guy, but when it comes to testosterone and muscle growth, excessive alcohol is a buzzkill, my friends. Here's the deal. Alcohol messes with your body's delicate hormonal balance. It can increase estrogen levels, which is the last thing you want when you're trying to boost testosterone. Plus, alcohol dehydrates you, which can impact muscle recovery and performance. It also disrupts sleep, and we already know how crucial sleep is for testosterone production. Listen, I'm not saying you have to become a teetotaler, but if you're serious about optimizing your testosterone and building muscle, you gotta be mindful of your alcohol intake. Moderation is key, folks. Enjoy a drink or two socially, but don't make it a nightly habit. Your body will thank you in the long run. Let's talk about stress, man. We all experience it, but when it becomes chronic, it wreaks havoc on your body and your hormones. And guess what? It's a testosterone killer. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out cortisol like there's no tomorrow. And remember what we said about cortisol? It's like the evil twin of testosterone. Chronic stress can also lead to weight gain, particularly around the midsection. And guess what that belly fat loves to do? It loves to convert testosterone into estrogen. Talk about a double whammy. Now, I'm not saying you have to live in a Zen garden to manage stress, but you gotta find healthy ways to cope with the daily grind. Whether it's exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or just chilling with your buddies, find what works for you. Your mental health and your testosterone levels will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk about food. You know how crucial diet is for overall health, but it's also a major player in testosterone production and muscle growth. What you put into your body directly affects your hormone levels. And when it comes to testosterone, a diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods is key. We're talking about lean protein sources, healthy fats, fruits, vegetables, the good stuff. These foods provide the building blocks for muscle growth and support optimal hormone production. On the flip side, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can wreak havoc on your testosterone levels. These foods can lead to inflammation, weight gain, and a whole host of other issues that can mess with your gains. So ditch the junk food and focus on fueling your body with the good stuff. Your muscles and your hormones will thank you for it. Alright, last but not least, we gotta talk about movement. Look, our bodies are designed to move. We're not meant to be sedentary creatures glued to our screens all day. When you live a sedentary lifestyle, your testosterone levels plummet. It's like your body goes into hibernation mode. Plus, lack of physical activity can lead to muscle loss, weight gain, and a whole host of other health problems. But here's the good news. You don't have to become a gym rat to reap the benefits of movement. Just get your body moving, man. Go for walks, take the stairs, do some bodyweight exercises at home. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Your testosterone levels and your overall health will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your health and fitness. Remember, knowledge is power. Now that you're aware of these sneaky testosterone killers, you can start making changes to your lifestyle to optimize your hormone levels and build the body you've always wanted. Keep pushing your limits, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.